Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these crispy oven-baked chicken legs. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm going to show you how to make these chicken legs. They are super delicious, crispy, easy to make, perfect for family dinner because the whole family's going to love them. So I've got a seasoning mixture that I'm going to shake the chicken in this bag. But I love this thing right here because it just keeps, you know, like when you're trying to put chicken in a bag or something in a bag with your seasonings. I'll link to it in the description. But you can also find it on Amazon. It's just called a bag holder. I mean, if you go to Amazon and search bag holder, it'll pop right up. So I've got a package of 10 chicken legs here, but I'm only going to use 8. Just so there's 4 servings, 2 per person. So I'm going to put 8 chicken legs in this bag. Okay, so now for the seasoning mixture, we are going to use 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm just gonna, kind of mix all that a little bit, and then I'm just gonna dump it in to my bowl. If it'll come out. Not my bowl, I'm gonna dump it into my bag with my chicken. So far, so easy. So I'm gonna pull the bag off of my bag holder. And I'm gonna zip it up, and you can also use a bowl for this. You don't have to use one of these zip top bags. If you would rather use bowls, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna just shake it all up. I'm gonna get it really nicely shaken up. Make sure all of the ingredients get evenly distributed. Smush it all around. It's looking good. These are gonna be some nicely seasoned chicken legs. So, to make it easier to get the chicken out, we can put it back in our bag holder. And to keep it open so I can get the chicken out. First we want to spray, I've got a sheet tray here with a rack. It's going to help our chicken get nice and crispy. And I'm going to spray it with cooking spray just so they don't stick. I'm going to spray the rack pretty generously. And just having it go spray down into the pan is going to keep stuff from getting all, easy to clean up. Much more easier to clean up. You could also line the tray with foil if you want to, but I'm not going to. Okay, so we're going to put our chicken evenly spaced on the rack. Well, I only did 7. What the heck? Oops. I was supposed to do 8, but I only did 7. Oh well. Okay. So these are ready for the oven. These are going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. What you want is you really want the internal temperature using a meat probe thermometer. You really want the internal temperature to be about 185 degrees. 165 degrees is good for like chicken breasts, but when it comes to like dark meat, like chicken thighs, chicken legs, you want it to get it up to 185. It helps break down the chicken tendons and the fat and just makes them more juicy and tender. So these are ready for the oven for about 30-35 minutes, but we're gonna check the temperature before we pull them out. Okay, our chicken legs are ready and they look fantastic. Look at that. They are crispy. You can see the skin is nice and crispy. These took right at 35 minutes. So I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put them on this tray. And look at that amazing. Let's cut into one so you can see how juicy they are. Ooh, oh my gosh, they are just dripping with juice. Oh, look at that. They are so juicy. Oh my gosh, yes. Perfect, perfect chicken. You're gonna love this recipe. You should also check out this if you're on Facebook. Go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for air fryer chicken thighs. It uses this same seasoning, but it makes really crispy chicken thighs in the air fryer. It is the most popular recipe on my blog. So go check that out. And if you're not on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it will take you to my recipe for air fryer chicken thighs. And thank you so much for watching. Check out these recipes. I will see you guys next time. Bye.